let us listen to a story.
Once upon a time, a dog was guarding a flock of sheep. A wolf came there. The dog became alert and started barking at him. The wolf could not move ahead, but he was very smart. He went to the dog and said, "We are very alike. Let's become friends." The dog nodded. Seeing his clever idea work well, the wolf further said, "Come with me to the forest. All the wolves will give you a warm welcome." Leaving the flock of sheep unguarded, the dog went along with the wolf to a den of wolves. The dog entered the den, and in no time the wolves attacked the dog. Then the wolves went to the place where the flock was grazing. They killed all the sheep and ate them up. Do you know the moral of the story? Be careful. Do not trust blindly.